Deep within our DNA lies a hidden story, a ghostly ancestor we never knew existed. Not Neanderthals, not Denisovans, but another mysterious species of human whose traces live on. Inside us, who were they? Where did they go? And why has their existence been hidden for so long? Welcome to Ancient Echo Hub, where we uncover the forgotten chapters of humanity's story. Before we begin this journey, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the mysteries of our past. Human history is not a straight line. It is a tangled web. We know of Homo sapiens, us. We know of Neanderthals, our rugged cousins of Ice Age Europe. We know of the mysterious Denisovans, revealed only by a single fragment of bone and a tooth. But in recent years, geneticists have discovered something extraordinary: traces of an unknown human ancestor hidden in our DNA. An ancestor with no face, no fossils, and no name. Yet this lost branch of humanity still whispers through our blood. In the early 2000s, scientists sequenced the genomes of modern humans and compared them with those of Neanderthals and Denisovans. What they found was shocking. Parts of our DNA didn't match any known human species. They weren't from Neanderthals. They weren't from Denisovans. Instead, they came from another, unknown group of humans. Some call them ghost ancestors because they exist only as genetic echoes. This mysterious DNA makes up small, hidden fragments within the genomes of people alive today, especially in Africa and Asia. The evidence was undeniable. At some point in our deep past, our ancestors met, lived with, and had children with a group of humans we had never seen before. The big question is, who were they? Some scientists believe these ghost ancestors may have been an ancient species of hominin in Africa, perhaps descended from Homo erectus, the great traveler who first left Africa nearly 2 million years ago. Others suggest they were an entirely new species. We haven't yet discovered one that left no obvious fossils, but lived and thrived alongside our ancestors. Imagine a world where not two, not three, but many different types of humans walked the earth together. Some were short, some tall, some strong, others clever, and all of them intermingled, sharing survival strategies and even bloodlines. This wasn't a world where Homo sapiens reigned supreme. It was a crowded stage full of rivals, allies, and the unknown. These ghostly ancestors aren't just a mystery of the past, they live on in us. Traces of their DNA are still found in modern people. In some African populations, up to 19% of the genome shows signs of interbreeding with an unidentified ancient species. These genes aren't just silent passengers. Some may have helped our ancestors fight off diseases, adapt to new environments, or even survive harsh climates. We carry inside us a genetic time capsule, fragments of forgotten people who shaped who we are today. If these ancestors were real, where are their bones? That is the great puzzle. Fossils of early humans in Africa are rare, and many have been lost to time. The harsh climate destroys bones. Shifting landscapes bury evidence, but every so often we find a clue. A strange skull here, an unusual jawbone there. Could these scattered remains belong to our ghost ancestors? Or do they belong to species we already know, but don't yet understand? Archaeologists believe that somewhere in Africa, still buried beneath the soil, lies the evidence, the bones that will finally reveal the face of our unknown ancestor. Why should we care about these ghost ancestors? Because their story is also our story. We are not the pure descendants of one species. We are a mosaic of many. Each of us carries within us the memories of countless encounters across time, of survival, of love, of conflict, of unity. The unknown ancestor reminds us that humanity has always been diverse, complex, and interconnected. It shows us that our survival was not a solitary triumph, but the result of countless forgotten unions across deep history. The story of the unknown human ancestor is far from over. Even now, scientists are uncovering new genetic mysteries, new fossil fragments, and new evidence that reshapes what we know about ourselves. Perhaps one day we will finally put a face to this ghostly ancestor. Until then, their presence lingers quietly within us, written in the very code of life. Thank you for joining me on this journey through time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Ancient Echo Hub and click the notification bell, because there are countless more mysteries of our past waiting to be uncovered. The story of humanity is still being written, and together we'll keep searching for the forgotten voices of our ancestors.